how to change your country on the Wizz app. So if you want to go ahead and change your country, you will need NordVPN. You have, I will leave it as a pinned comment. The app looks like this. You can get it from the App Store, and you will also need to get an account or create an account for it. So here, like I said, if I go into the App Store and just search for NordVPN, I will be able to find the app like that, and you need to install it. And like I said, you can register from the pinned comment. Once you open it up, then all you have to do is to sign into your account. And then here, choose the country which you want to go to. For example, France. If you want to go into France, you can choose a specific city here, or you can just go to any city in that specific country. You have the option of all of these countries. And once you connect to it, you just click on it on fastest server to connect. Then this is going to change the country on the Wizz app. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.